Hi everybody, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Sephora haul. It's very small. I have um, I'm the VIB Beauty Insider, so I only get 10% off. Now, I think at this level, I really don't think that we need to be, or I should have bought anything, but there's something specifically that I wanted to buy from there, and it was the right price inside, so the 10% off was great. But normally, if you go to the company's websites for what you really want to buy, so for instance, I buy a lot of products from Kiehl's, and I will go to Kiehl's website and they send me emails with 25% off. Or if you sign up for a lot of companies, they give you an initial 15 to 20% off. So if you're not a Sephora VIB Rouge, you don't get the 20%, you just get the 10%. So I got a very small haul today, again from Sephora, and I haven't opened it. So I'm going to open it right now. And what I like about Sephora is that they have a lot of small, kind of try-me sizes, and that's what I wanted to try. And what I bought in the try-me size is a foundation, because I normally use the Chanel foundation because it doesn't break me out, but I wanted to find something more inexpensive, and I wanted to try the Giorgio Armani Luminous Skin Foundation. So they had a try-me size for about $30 off of the normal size for it, which is normally I think $68. So this is it. Giorgio Armani. And I wasn't sure of my color. Like I said, I use the Chanel foundation a lot because every other foundation breaks me out except for the Chanel one. But I want to try something that was less expensive. So this is it. And this try me size is 18 fluid ounces, 18 ml, 0.6 fluid ounces. And it looks like this. Now compared to my Chanel, and let me go grab that really quick. This is the Chanel that I use. I use the Les Beige in number 30. And this, does it say how many fluid ounces it is? I don't see it. But when you compare the two side to side, and looking at this, I wasn't sure about what color to get in this, and it looks like I might be just a little darker in this one right here, and this one's a little lighter. But I recently used this, and because of the summertime, I think my skin got a little darker, and this was a little bit too light for me. So this right now might just be just right. Okay, so I got that, and this is my receipt. My receipt doesn't say the price. Sometimes that's a good thing. The next thing I got was the Shiseido facial cotton. This is my second one of these. The other one I had it for a good amount of time. I want to say I've even had it for 2-3 years. These are the best wipes, and they're really thick. It's not like the cotton balls. When you put something on the cotton ball, it seeps right through. These, your product stays right on top. So if anybody wants me to do a review on this, I'm sure there's many out there. The next thing I ordered, oh yes, this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now I bought this from Sephora because I was watching Jeffree Star, and he said it was the best face base for dry skin. I have very, very dry skin, so I wanted to try this out. But after I bought it from Sephora, I went on the Bobbi Brown website, and they had a promotion that said that if you sign up for their email that you would get 15% off. Now I had already bought this, so I couldn't stop my order. But you know, what can we do? 10% off is 10% off, right? I just don't think us beauty insiders need to go for that sale because it's just 10% off. I mean, get more Macy's with a coupon. And I know Macy's don't generally, you know, issue coupons for luxury items, but sometimes when they have their, you know, friends and family sale, or these websites on themselves have their friends and family. I buy my Chanel foundation from Chanel because they give you the best samples. They give you full-size samples in a cute little bag, and the box and packaging, I mean, come on, it's amazing. So again, this is what it looks like. It's the vitamin enriched face base, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mLs. So if anybody would like me to do a review on this. And that's all I got, aside from the, oh no, that's right. I got the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Now I have the original eyeshadow primer. And let me see if I can grab that really quick. Hold on. No, I can't find it. I must have thrown it away. I hope I threw it away because it was in the old packaging and I had it many years. And I'm sure it was just not good. Not good. So I decided to repurchase it because I have very dry skin, but I have very oily eyelids. And I noticed when I use this, now this one's much smaller than the original one I had, and I think this was also a try me size. This is 50 ml or 0.16 fluid ounces. Yes, this was definitely a try me size because I didn't know if it was a new formula or not. And it's just perfect for my oily lids. Yeah, this is definitely a different applicator. I mean, I just pulled that out and there's barely nothing on there. We'll have to see about that. So if anybody would like for me to do a review on any of these items that I purchased, one of the samples that I got was a Tatcha Deep Cleanse. Now I was supposed to get 3 samples. I only got 1. I don't know. So did I need to purchase this for this sale? No, I probably could have saved some more money at Ulta using the $3.50 coupon that they usually have. I could have gone on these companies' websites, signed up for their email. I don't know. It's Sephora, right? So again, if anybody wants me to do a review on any of these items, let me know. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.